Leonardo. Welcome to the Dream Mr. Monkey's Realm.
Why are you wearing Ninja Turtles costume today, Matthew?
Because I'm going to unbox my Ninja Turtle sword.
Show me. Wow! So, are you gonna be Leonardo today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the back of the box. Yeah. So you can actually combine them. So that's what we had before, which is Michelangelo ones. Yep. And now we're gonna unbox Leonardo.
This is
And comment down below, guys, if you want us to get Raphael and Donatello as well, so then we can unbox them as well. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start unboxing. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, go.
This one.
Do you need help with the scissors? Okay.
Remember, kids, I to help you with the scissors because scissors is sharp. Yeah, you don't want to hold yourself with the scissors. That's your eye.
Yeah, we don't want that, don't we? Okay. Open. It's stuck.
Yeah.
Is it stuck? You can do it. You can do it. Use your muscles. Yeah. Pull it up. Ah, there it is. Okay.
Help from my adult.
Help from my
Please.
So that's, what is that? That's the sword.
This is the sword. Shing, shing, shing. And what is this?
I'm gonna connect it there.
Yeah. So it comes big.
Yeah.
Shing, 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 shing. You got
Oh, now you've got your mask. You are Leonardo.
shing.
How are you gonna put the others? So it's actually got an instruction at the side.
Yeah.
And there are the other things. What are these?
I don't know. This is the weapon dragon to protect you.
Yeah.
And this is
So
the
where
Ninja
can you
Turtle.
put them?
You
Can you
put
show me where you put them?
on the sword.
On the sword.
How do you do
So
the
where?
sword?
Where do we put it? I reckon this one, you put this one. Oh. So there's a little sword there. And this one, you actually put there, so then you can put other weapons as well. So this one, I reckon you put here.
You can't.
No, you can't. Oh, so maybe you have to put it from down here.
I'm
There it is.
this is the weapon side and what's this?
And then you put it there.
Yeah.
Or you can... Oh, whoops.
Oopsie daisy. Sorry.
You know why it happened, Matthew?
Why?
Because...
I didn't tighten it up properly.
Yeah, you didn't lock it in. So this is how you're gonna do it. So if you're gonna put this contraption, make sure that, see these? Those are the locks. So you go that way and then slide it, yep, twist it to the side, so then it's locked, it's secured. Now, even if you do your awesome moves,
and then I can point it.
you can So to take it out, you then have to push that little button
I did push
and
it.
then twist it.
Yep.
So you gotta push both of the buttons. And twist. Twist at the side and then pull. There you are.
So you can do this. Only if you do this, you can do it easy. So you have to do this.
Let's see. You can
What?
put something else there. This one is not really for this. So if you want to put something else, you can do that, Matthew. Or you can put that one. The ends. You have to take this out though.
Okay, the seal. And then twist it the side. And then I look at it. And then I smash it. This ninja sword. I gave you this, and I cheat.
You wanna try the other ones? These ones? You haven't put these ones yet.
Yeah, I wanna.
Okay.
I'm gonna choose the dragon action. The dragon.
I think that's the wrong way.
What? Huh?
Flip it over. Good.
So cute.
There, see? Perfect.
And
Are you gonna put something on the bottom?
And
No, I think you can only put one at a time, baby. See? That one's just gonna move everywhere. So take that one off. And are you gonna put something at the end? These two. No, these two. You're gonna use that one again, or you're gonna use the axe this time?
this.
Make sure it's locked. There.
Look now. Look at this, Mom. I made this for myself.
You ready? Me to what?
Ninja action! I'm a ninja turtle. This ninja bait. Don't forget to subscribe.
And comment down below, guys, if you want us to get the other ones as well, so then we can unbox them. Put them in the comment down below. And tell us who your favorite Ninja Turtle is. Love them all.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all cool, aren't they?
And they are in the next video. Bye! I'm playing with this now. By an out of field.
You're right.
What's the other one of this? Ouch. Can you take this off?